again to my channel. So today we get to talk a lot. So watch, let me show you something. Boo-boo. I want to show you something. Okay, watch me. Make Papa Nkechi come house today. Make Papa Nkechi come house today, na me and Papa Nkechi go tell me wetin they do. Wetin they do for that restaurant, he go tell me. Wetin make am dey come house for 12 o'clock in the midnight, he go tell me. Wetin make am be say na 1 o'clock, everybody don sleep, now they come house, he go tell me. And wetin make am no dey chop my food, he go tell me. He go tell me wetin make am no dey chop my food. Make Papa Nkechi come. Okay. Now me and make Papa Nkechi come today. Why Papa Nkechi no go dey sleep outside? Tell me. Why Papa Nkechi no go sleep outside? Why? Tell me why Papa Nkechi no go stay outside for 12 o'clock. He never come house. So it be like say wetin get for house no dey attract am. Now your hand now day is your fault. You caused it. You know what? Okay, I'll tell you something. How you take cause am? I'll tell you now. I go keep those things. Okay. You know they maintain your body. That cloth when you wear go sell fish for market. Now that same cloth you go wear come house. If you want sleep for night, you go use and sleep. Every year we smell fish, smoke. That one and one. The second one. That cloth when you wear, take cook. When you don't they smell food. Now that cloth, now you go wear, sleep near Papa Nkechi. Third one, you can't tie wrapper. You see as I tie that wrapper yours now, like this. Imagine now. Just imagine now. Just imagine. Your husband will come from work like this. He will come ring bell. Sorry. He will come ring bell like this. You will tie your hair like this. Oga will come from work. He will come ring bell. Kum. Oga will ring bell. Kum. You can't go there, go open the Papa Nkechi, welcome like this. Who does that for this life when everybody done the package? Everybody won't train their waist. Everybody won't get that thing. What do they call? See, everybody won't package. Everybody won't contour figure 8. Everybody won't become like this. Everybody wants to figure 8. Now you will see the tie wrapper. You see Papa Nkechi welcome. Who does that? You know they work like that again. Change your style. I'm telling you. You know what you will do? You package yourself. Package. You look good. When your husband ring there, come, you go there. Open the, oh honey, welcome. You give him, kiss him. And your body go the saint. You go the saint. Maintain your body. You don't bath. It will not be the type when they make up. Just leave your face like that. Go welcome man. That kind one, he good. That kind one, you know what they think I said. But by the time you tie your head like that, that's the same cloth when you wear go buy sell fish. You will come here and welcome. If you come if the leg will come spoil. You know why? Because you know they try. You know what they gonna think of that babe when you see for outside. When be like say the scent, the package finish. See the girl like this here. The girl figure 8. Now that one, now you go to think of. Instead, you go to think of you now the woman when you see outside. Now you go to think of. You know good like that. Your husband is supposed to be say okay, Oga go working. You go to think of your wife. Don't say you go to think of the one when you see outside. That one and one. Okay, why oga go eat your food when be like say you cook finish? Fine Nkechi, see your food though, you comot. Instead of you to package yourself, look good, present the food, then you sit there, the smile for your face and the way you dey look alone, even if that food no sweet, I'm telling you, e go chop am like that, e go sweet am. You know why? Because you look good. Now wetin you want to be that, because the way you be, as you say, your appearance alone don't satisfy and not be even the food. So even if the food no sweet, it go chop am like that. But by the time we come be like say you now, you just tie apart for chest, sit down for them, everywhere go dirty, you no go dey happy. Ma tell you one thing wey you no know. If your guy go work, you can't go maybe for lunch time. You can't go one restaurant now, you can't go eat. Then the owner of the restaurant now who they serve now can't serve her food. The person she's well dressed, and maybe she can't sense. Your guy eat the food. You go they look that girl. Tomorrow he still go there again. You see I'm saying this one still package again. They sent. Next tomorrow he they go there again. And before you know it, more. Oga no go to eat your food again, and there that restaurant now they won't go to eat. If you reach there, they give him food, he goes off, he stay there, he go eat. By the time he come house, say, Papa, can you see your food? They go say, I'm not the hungry. Why you no go hungry? You ain't for shop. Why you no go hungry? You know why? Because you don't already eat. Now so now this one I say my country on today. Learn how to take care of yourself. Learn how to look good. Learn how to present yourself before your husband. Not leave your man for outsiders, not leave him for side chick. Package. Man, I tell you, most of them find pass those side chick. By the time you package, forget forget acting, Okay, package yourself, because this generation, this man, no more side chick, because we want package pass all the side chick. So that's this is all I have for today. Don't tell me say you don't like this video, because I will come with another Ogbonge episode. Thank you.